You can earn $25 every minute again and again as your passive income. Follow each step which I will tell you in this video. You just have to set up one time and earn for lifetime. And here the good news is, you can withdraw your cash in your PayPal account, Payoneer, or even directly to your bank account. This system is completely free and the easiest way to earn money online. Remember, success isn't about luck, it's about taking action. So let's hustle, learn, and grow together. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are learning and earning at the same time with the help of my channel. Today's video is a banger for all who is looking to earn money online. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Firstly, you have to come to Pixels app, and for those who don't know about Pixels, let me tell you, this app will provide high quality stock images and videos for absolutely free, which you can use wherever you want to. And today you will use this stock images to generate a passive income for yourself, which makes you financially independent. So once you come over Pixels, search for any animal you like, but I will suggest you to firstly go to Google and ask there which animal humans love the most. See, there is a list of animals and in which dog is on top, and the second is cats, third is rabbits, and the list goes on and on. We can also check here AI overview, and which is also suggesting the dogs on the top. So we will go with dogs and cats. Now again come to Pixels and here search for dogs. See, there are a lot of dog images. These dogs are really adorable and we need images just like these where the dog either standing or sitting and looking at front. But make sure to download a single dog image, not multiple dogs or a group of dogs in one single image, which means one image will have one dog only. Now I like this image of dog, so I will click on it and then click on this download button and download it. And once your image is downloaded and saved to your laptop, then you can move ahead and choose another dog images and save it to your device. Download at least 9 to 10 images similarly like this. You can download images of any animal you like, but I want you to go with data which Google is showing to make your passive income fast. So download 9 to 10 images of dogs, cats and rabbits. You can use other sites also like Pixabay and Unsplash to download high quality stock images to use for absolutely free. After downloading, you guys must be thinking, why are we downloading all this? Okay, so let me take you straight to the answer. Open Etsy.com. Wait. I know you cannot open shop on Etsy in India. Don't worry, I have a solution for that too, which I will tell you in some time. But before that, see this online shop. They are selling custom pet items, includes pet portraits, tote bags, custom pet mugs, custom sweatshirts, tumblers, sandals, custom pet pillow, and many other custom pet products. This shop owner doesn't need to waste time on searching pet photos and then put it on different products. Instead, the customer provides the photos of their pets and then the shop owner put that photo on different products. Then shop owner go to Printify to make that photo print on that particular product and then directly ship to customer. This is basically print on demand service, which means you don't have to hold any inventory or product. Whenever customer buys a product from your shop, it will go to Printify and Printify will do the rest of the work, like printing and shipping the product to the customer. And at the end, you will keep your profit without doing much work. You have to set up your shop once and then the rest of the work will be automatically done just like an autopilot. And the best part about this business model is shop owner doesn't need to spend any money upfront on Printify as it is 100% free to use. Remember, if you're getting opportunity to start your business in almost no money, then just start now. This is digital era, so make the most of it. If these people are doing the same thing, then think, they are definitely making a hell lot of money from this business model. That's why they are doing this. If they don't earn any money doing this, then why would they do this? They are doing this print on demand business because they are earning from it. This time and this opportunity will never come again. So start now. You can connect your store to Printify. Printify easily integrates with major e-commerce platforms and marketplaces like Walmart, Wix, Shopify, Etsy, etc. In India, if you cannot open your online shop on Etsy, don't worry, there are so many other platforms too like Walmart, Wix, but still if you want to open your Etsy store in India, you can use VPN. So you can use any of these platforms and connect to Printify. Printify provides products without print like these bags, phone cases, journals, blankets, t-shirts, mugs, which you can print later on. So basically, all you have to do is, whenever customer provide photo of their pets to you, you have to print that photo to the product they want it to be printed on. So Printify will create custom products, sell the product, and even handle the fulfillment on your behalf. Now you're thinking, why Printify will do all these things for free? So don't worry, this is how the system works. Suppose you put the price of the product on your Etsy shop about $30, so they will automatically deduct $12 for its production cost and the rest will be your profit. Now I will show you how much potential this business model has. Look at this online shop named Drawlux, who sell premium pet artwork and custom products like these custom photo frames, tote bags, personalized pet mugs, pet memorial and custom shower curtains, custom clipboard, phone case, and even pet sweatshirt and pajamas, custom pet pillows, wall clock, and whatnot. This shop has total sales of 12,991 till now, and they are selling these products for $39, $20, $30, $22, $30, $20, $10, $25, $20, and again $20. And even if we take $20 in average cost, you can multiply 12,991 sales into $20 and we will get $2,59,820. And if we convert this amount into rupees, then we get 2,18,13,876 rupees, which means this shop owner is generating total revenue of 2.18 crore just by uploading these pictures for one time. So as I said in the starting of the video, this is the easiest way to earn money online. This is not the only shop who is earning tons of money from this business model. There are a lot of other shops who is earning millions of dollars just by setting this system. You can check out eBay, Amazon, Redbubble and other apps to see more shops like this. Not only pet photos, you can select other designs also to be print and make multiple shops of different category. Now, come to Printify by clicking the link in the description box and sign up to Printify. Once you sign up for your Printify account, you will see this dashboard. Now, firstly come over here and click on My New Store and here select Add a New Store. Once you click here, you will come to this page where you can connect your store now. You can connect Etsy store, Shopify, TikTok, and you can even connect Printify store pop-up and start selling there. You can also opt for eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, Walmart, etc. You can click on Your Orders to check things like total cost, tracking them. You can check your product by clicking here. You can check out all these features. But now I will click on catalog to design my product. Now you can select any of these items whatever you want. And I am starting with sweatshirts and I will also design these items one by one. But now let's just figure out sweatshirt. Select sweatshirts in men's category first of all. That will take you to this page where you can design a sweatshirt. Here as you can see there are a lot of white sweatshirts and I'm going with this one as it is bestseller after all. Click on this and there are some sample mockups for you. After checking them out, click on Start Designing. Once you will click there, that will take you to this page where you can actually design your first sweatshirt. And now you have to upload your dog images here, which you downloaded from Pixels, Pixabay and Unsplash. Click on Upload, then on My Device, then click on Photo and your photo will be uploaded. Now we have to adjust the size of this image so that it looks nice on the sweatshirt. Now remove the background from the image. And the good part about Printify is, you don't need to go on other apps for editing your image. You will get here all the editing tools which you need to make your design looks perfect. For removing the background from the image, click here and this window will pop up for you. Here there are two methods to remove background. One is to remove it manually like this. And second is to click on Quick Remove to remove your image background automatically. After this, click on Apply and our image is uploaded on the sweatshirt without background. Now adjust this a little bit. After it, come over here and you will see different options like AI Image Generator. Here you can generate any image you want with the help of AI. Select the style first and then write any prompt here like a Christmas tree. Then you can use any of these images. Next is add text. So I will use this. Click on this and then select the font for your text. I'm going to choose this one. Then I will adjust the text. Now I will name this dog as Cooper. You can also add graphics if you want to. And there are so many other features too, but I am keeping it simple, subtle and classy. I am done with my editing. Now I will preview my sweatshirt. And here you can see different preview mockups of my sweatshirt, like how it look on a man. And I'm pretty satisfied with the results. I mean, like, the design is looking perfect on the sweatshirt, the size is perfect, the position is perfect. But if you're not liking and satisfied with your product, you can come over here and edit it again. After editing, you can again preview it. You can do this unlimited number of times until you are satisfied. But as I told you, I like this product, so I will save it by clicking on Save Product. Firstly, on my products, it is showing like this, but after you save your product, you will see that product on my product icon like this. Just like this, you can create different catalogs like phone cases, bags, hats, mugs, etc. and then connect any shop like Etsy, eBay, WooCommerce to your Printify account and start selling. You can even integrate even more than one account to your Printify so that whenever customer buys a product from your any online shop, it will directly go to Printify, where Printify will look after printing, selling and shipping the product for 100% free. It will only deduct its production cost and the rest is the profit. So it is a very simple process. Download the images from Pixels, Pixabay and Unsplash. Then print them on the desired products with the help of Printify. And then connect your online shop of Etsy, eBay or any other platform to Printify. And that's it. You have to set up the system only once and then wait for the money to come into your bank account. Patience is the key to success. So be patient and you will be able to generate money like these shops are earning in few months. I will put the Printify link in the description so you can use that link to download and sign up. If this video helps you on your journey to earn money online, give it a like. Your support helps others find this content too. And if you're ready to be a part of a community focused on financial growth, hit subscribe. It's more than just a button. It's your ticket to a community that's all about earning money, motivation and success. Let's grow together and start your earning now. You can check out my other videos too. Okay, bye everyone.